Okay, so we are at the Polynesian Villas. So you walk in, and here's the back of the door. We have the privacy sign on the back like usual that you can use. We have a long mirror on the back of the adjoining door on the left-hand side. Straight in the back is the bedroom area. To the right-hand side, we see the sliding door again like we did in the Grand Floridian for the bathroom. And we'll just walk into the bathroom area in just a second. This is just an overview of the bathroom area, and it looks like, so it's a pretty big bathroom area. The only negative I see compared to the other resorts we've been staying at is that everything's in the same room, so multiple people can't get ready at the same time. Like last night at the Grand Floridian, 2 people could shower or bathe at the same time. So this is the shower and tub area. Looks pretty clean to me. They're still giving the H2O products here too, it looks like. And just back up and give you like a full view so you can see it better. Then we have a little mermaid art on the wall. We have the mirror over here. And the sink area with the H2O products here. The sink area here, and then down here we have storage. So decent amount of storage, but I've seen more in the other resorts. So now here we walk out, and on the left hand side is closet space. We have a safe here, we have hangers, we have extra bedding, pillow, blanket, whatever's up in there. This is like a little crib. I guess they keep in here in some of the rooms. An iron, an ironing board, place to put your luggage if you want to put it out. Keep your suitcase open and unload it. Then on the left hand side, this is like the little kitchenette area. And so right here we have the little kitchen area. Very similar to the other ones we've seen before. This is the microwave. Let's check out how clean this one is. I'm not that tall, but it's pretty clean too. Up here we have some more storage space. And then we have paper towels here. And then here we have some dishes and cups and paper towels, extra paper towels. Down here we have a can opener, some dish soap if you want to wash your dishes. We have a toaster and we have a coffee maker, and here are the options like the other resorts. And down here we have the fridge like the other ones. It's bigger than a mini fridge, but it's obviously not a full fridge. So a decent amount of space in here. You can fit a pretty good amount of stuff in here. And then under here we have garbage and recycling. So now we'll start to head into the bedroom area. Okay, so now we're in the bedroom area. The lighting's very weird in here right now. So we have an ice bucket with the bag as usual. We have just the dining information, resort information, things like that, Disney information they leave in the room. The TV is tremendous, which is really nice. We have this little pull-out bed area. So another person can sleep in the room. Then we have 2 chairs and a little table and a mirror. Then this is the outside area. We'll go back outside in a bit. Then we have this chest area. I'm wondering if it opens up like the cruise line. So if you've been on a Disney cruise before, you know that they open up in the room, so you have more storage. This also opens up into a bed, this couch area. And then the nightstand area, there's the remote, the TV area, There's a nightstand on either side, which is nice. It looks like you can actually fit a couple things under the bed as well, some storage, maybe a suitcase if that would fit. There looks like there's some outlets under here, which is nice, and a drawer to put stuff. They also have a Bible in here, just some more artwork. And then over here too, they leave out like usual. I'm here during like the 4th of July week, so they have like pamphlets for 4th of July, the general manager, and these cards they leave out at the resorts now. And this is something about like the trash policy changing to like daily, but I still haven't stayed consecutive days yet, so I'll have to keep my eyes out for that and see if they actually are coming and doing it daily when I stay a couple days in a row. And then here we have the phone, and then we have some more storage space, and we have lamps on each side of the bed. And I'll just give like a little overview from this angle really fast too, so you can see the room a little bit better and just get a feel for the space. It's very open, but at the same time, like the bathroom situation for 5 people is a little difficult compared to like the Grand Floridian where multiple people can get ready at the same time. So let's see how you get out of this door. So this is a little awkward. So you like shove the curtains back to get outside. So this is, okay, it's a little awkward, but we got out. And then this is our view of the parking lot area. I think I actually parked like right over there, which is actually really funny. And this is our little view, and we get 2 chairs and a table. So here's one on this side, and here's the view again. And here's another over here.